Everyone thinks the best-selling smart thermostat is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential. This one caught my eye with its promise of saving up to 23% on heating and cooling costs. At a competitive price point, it's ideal if you want to optimize your energy usage without a hassle. If you want a smart thermostat that balances affordability with performance, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The auto away mode and scheduling features adjust the temperature based on your routine, ensuring you're not wasting energy when you're not at home. Plus, you can control it from anywhere with the Ecobee app, which means you can adjust settings even when you're at work. The compatibility with 85% of systems makes it a practical choice, covering most HVAC setups. Now, some people complained about the installation process being tricky if you don't have a C-wire. Here's the thing though, if you're comfortable with basic wiring or willing to use the power extender kit, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's a solid option for energy-conscious homeowners. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an energy-efficient option that doesn't require constant adjustments. Skip this one if you have older heating systems that may not be compatible. Now, if the installation concerns of the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Emerson Sensi Wi-Fi Smart Thermostat. Priced at about $89, it's a fantastic option for DIY enthusiasts who want to save on HVAC costs without complicated setups. If you appreciate a straightforward installation and privacy, this one's worth considering. This thermostat can save you about 23% on energy through features like flexible scheduling and remote access. It's designed to make your life easier by sending you performance alerts and filter change reminders, which is incredibly helpful if you tend to forget these small but important tasks. Plus, it doesn't require a C-wire in most cases, making it accessible for most households. However, some users mention that the app interface could be more user-friendly. I'll be real with you, it might take a bit of fiddling to get it just right, but once you do, it's pretty reliable. For those not tech-savvy, this might be a little frustrating, but manageable. This is perfect for you if you want a solid smart thermostat that respects your privacy and is easy to install. Skip this one if you prefer a more feature-rich system with extensive smart home integration. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want advanced features.
Product number 3, Ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced. The list is the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced, retailing for around $199.99. It's geared towards those who want a thermostat that learns and adapts to their preferences. If you want comfort tailored to your lifestyle, this one's worth a serious look. What makes this thermostat stand out is its built-in radar occupancy sensor that adjusts the temperature just before you arrive home. You'll save up to 26% annually on heating and cooling costs as it optimizes energy use when you're away. It's compatible with 90% of HVAC systems, which makes it a good fit for most homes. Some users have reported a few connectivity issues, especially with Wi-Fi drops. But here's the thing, once it's set up correctly, it generally performs well, so this isn't a deal breaker unless your Wi-Fi connection is unstable. This is perfect for you if you want a smart thermostat that learns from your habits and saves energy effortlessly. Skip this one if you're looking for something simpler without the advanced features. Now, if the potential connectivity issues of the Ecobee Enhanced made you think twice, the next product might catch your interest with its unique features.
Product number 4, Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium, which is a powerhouse at a premium price. It's packed with features like a built-in air quality monitor and smart sensor capabilities. If you're serious about both comfort and air quality, this one's definitely worth a look. This thermostat can save you up to 26% on your energy bills, just like its siblings, but it also alerts you about air quality issues in your home. Knowing when to change your filter or enhance ventilation can be a game changer for your family's health. Plus, it works seamlessly with most HVAC systems and can even connect to your smart doorbell camera for added security. However, it's worth noting that some users find the initial setup a bit complicated. Honestly, if you're not techie or find setting up smart devices challenging, this might frustrate you. But once you get through it, the features you gain are well worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you want a top-notch thermostat that focuses on comfort and air quality. Skip this one if you prefer a more straightforward device without all the bells and whistles. Alright, that was a premium option. but the last one on our list offers a great combination of features at a reasonable price. Product number 5, Honeywell Home RTH9585WF1004. Priced at $149.99, this Wi-Fi-enabled thermostat is all about customization and ease of use. If you like the idea of a personalized thermostat that fits your decor, this might be the perfect fit. The customizable color touchscreen allows you to match it to your home's aesthetic. Plus, it's ENERGY STAR certified, so it can help save you money while keeping your home comfortable. It offers flexible programming options, which can be tailored to your schedule and even your utility company's peak pricing. One downside users point out is that it requires a C-wire, which can limit compatibility in older homes. But if your setup allows it, the benefits of its smart response technology can genuinely enhance your comfort. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish thermostat that's easy to use and can save you money. Skip this one if your home setup doesn't include a C-wire and you're looking for something easier to install. That wraps up our list of the top smart thermostats. Each one has its strengths and fits different needs. So whether you want something energy efficient, user-friendly, feature-rich, or stylish, there's an option here for everyone. To quickly recap, we've looked at the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential, the Emerson Sensi Wi-Fi Smart Thermostat, the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced, the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium, and the Honeywell Home RTH9585WF1004. Each of these offers unique features to cater to different needs, so think about what's most important for your home. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find the perfect smart thermostat for your needs.